Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Plug both monitors into power and into the computer using the best available ports, and attach adapters if necessary. Choose which screen will be primary, because that determines task focus and window placement. Once done, open display settings and set resolutions and scaling so text and UI match. This prevents mismatched sizes. Make sure refresh rates are appropriate for work or video. This ensures a consistent starting point for building the dual monitor workflow. Now configure how you use both screens. Arrange displays in the operating system to match your desk layout so the cursor flows naturally. Assign roles, keep active apps, editing, or meetings on the primary monitor and put chat, reference docs, or monitoring tools on the secondary. Use snapping and keyboard shortcuts to move windows quickly. Create virtual desktops if you need separated spaces. Once comfortable, tweak app placement patterns so the setup becomes automatic and reduces context. Finish by calibrating brightness and color so both screens feel unified and do not strain your eyes. You want consistent contrast and temperature. Save preferred window layouts or use a launcher so you restore a productive arrangement in seconds. If things go wrong, restart, reset cables, and update graphics drivers first. This fixes most detection and scaling problems. If duplication or flicker persists, try swapping ports or using a powered hub. Troubleshooting quickly restores a reliable dual monitor experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.